2018 Acura RLX, powering ahead, sans beak. Acura updates its biggest sedan with more tech and a freshened look. August 2017 by Joseph Copperly. Like the TLX and MDX before it, the Acura RLX has received a full beakectomy for its 2018 refresh. Acura's largest sedan now wears the company's new and geometrically impossible diamond pentagon grille, and we're not sure the design is better for it. At least there are some mechanical and tech upgrades to go along with the questionable new look. The most notable change to the dirty bits is a new 10-speed automatic transmission that mates to the standard 310 horsepower 3.5-liter V6. This marks the first Acura application of this new Honda-developed transmission. It's already in use in the 2018 Honda Odyssey minivan and soon will be installed in the redesigned 2018 Honda Accord. Front-wheel drive remains standard with this engine, as does Acura's rear-wheel steering system called Precision All-Wheel Steer. The company claims the new transmission will improve the RLX's acceleration. For reference, a front-drive RLX with a 6-speed automatic ran from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds in our testing. Unchanged is the RLX Sport Hybrid's drivetrain, which continues to use a 3.5-liter V6 and 3 electric motors to create torque vectoring all-wheel drive, called SH-AWD in Acura speak. Acura brags that this driveline shares componentry from the NSX supercar's hybrid setup, but it produces less power than the mid-engine stunner does, 196 horsepower and 135 pounds-to-foot less. To be specific, for totals of 377 horsepower and 341 pounds-to-foot of torque. The RLX's hood also has been reshaped, and its rear end gets new LED taillights and a black lower diffuser with 2 large exhaust tips. There are new wheel designs and 2 new paint colors, too, including the brilliant red metallic pictured here and majestic black pearl. Inside, new front seats get contrasting piping and stitching, while certain materials and touchpoints are said to be richer than before. An espresso interior color is a fresh option. Strangely, the revised RLX doesn't receive the 2018 TLX's updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, a notable omission these days. Apparently the wait continues for Acura's redesigned infotainment interface, first previewed last year. A new traffic jam assist feature is a significant addition to the RLX's standard Acura Watch bundle of active safety features.